Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Think with Tech. I'm Lokesh and I hope everyone watching this video is doing well and fine. So, in today's video, we're going to learn what is an LLM or a large language model and how do LLMs actually work, and also we are gonna see how they are actually trained to give you your best desired results. And also we learn some fun facts about LLMs. Okay, so without wasting any further time, let's roll the intro. So, you might be wondering, how does ChatGPT or any AI model generates its text? I think you got the answer. So, the answer is it uses an LLM in the backend or in the working of it to generate good outputs. So, what is an LLM? LLM or a large language model is an advanced AI system which is trained to understand and generate human like text. So think of it as a supercharged autocomplete or autocomplete on steroids that can write essays, code, poems, and also it can chat with you or it can even hold conversations with you. So it can write code in any language, any programming language, let's say Python. Python is not a programming language, it's kind of a scripting language. But, anyways, it can generate code in Python, Java, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, PHP, Golang, and many more languages. Okay, so let's see how they work. So, how do LLMs actually work? So, I'll explain this to you in layman's version, okay, or in layman's terms. So, imagine you are reading a sentence like the cat sat on the mat. So, a large language model breaks this sentence into small pieces like words or parts of the words called tokens. So, every word or every sentence is termed as a token while you're writing a prompt or you're writing a sentence to the AI or an LLM. Now, instead of just reading left to right, the model looks at all the words at once and asks which words are most important to understand this sentence. This is called self attention kind. Sorry, this is called self attention. It's kind of like how your brain focuses on keywords when reading. Okay, so the keywords can be here in this sentence the cat sat on the mat. The keywords can be cat sat on and the mat. Okay, so these can be the keywords here. So it's like having a super powered highlighter that knows which words matter most and how they connect with each other. That's how it understands meaning, context, and even more. So, the brain behind that is called a transformer, a smart system that helps the model learn patterns in language, like grammar, style, and even humor or even tone. So, how are they actually trained, or how are they so efficient while answering your text or output or your prompt? So, LLMs are trained on massive data sets, billions of words from books, articles, websites, and even such more things. During training, they learn to predict the next word in a sentence. The more data and more computing power, the smarter they get. So, I hope you got an idea of what are LLMs and actually how they work. So, now let's look at some fun facts about LLMs. So, the first one is you guys know that OpenAI owns ChatGPT and they have made it, and it's made on 175 billion parameters. So it's like 175 billion tiny knobs it can adjust to get smarter. Isn't it amazing? It is. Next one is LLMs don't know facts. They just predict what sounds right based on the patterns they have learned from that data or from the historic data. Okay, so next fact is we can write in Shakespearean style, even debug code, or even write songs, or they can even rap. Isn't it amazing? It is. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something. So I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, peace out. And one more thing, if you haven't watched my videos on AI, data science, and data analytics and prompt engineering, so please watch those videos. I'll link them down in the description as well. And I'll also leave down some links to other videos as well, which are gold for learning about LLMs or more topics. You can check out IBM's channel, or even you can check more channels on this. Even Code with Harry is amazing, so you can check those channels for more content, for more knowledge, and for more AI related stuff. So that was it from my side. I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, peace.